Hare Krishna. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to check whether the given number is palindrome or not using the Python coding. Let's start. So here I will create a new file in the VS Code. The file name is palindrome.py. Let's write the question here. Program to check whether the given number is palindrome or not, or palindrome number or not. So first, what is the meaning of the palindrome number? Let me explain here with an example. See, palindrome number means, for example, n is 121. This is a palindrome number because if we reverse this number, again we will get 121 only. It's a palindrome number. Same way, if I take n value 66, yes, it is also palindrome number. After reverse also, again we'll get the same number. Okay, we can take any number of digits number, suppose 1221. Yes, it is also palindrome number. After reverse, again we will get the same number. Okay, suppose if I take not palindrome numbers, which are the not palindrome numbers? For example, if I take n equal to 21, yes, it is not a palindrome because after reverse 12 we are getting here. Okay, like that. So if I take here some number here 786, after reverse 687, it is also not a palindrome number, means after reverse the number, okay, or after making the number in reverse, again we have to get the same number. Then such type of numbers are called here palindrome numbers. Okay, so in the previous video I explained to you how to reverse the number, because here after reversing the number we have to check that number with original number. If both are same, then we can say they are the palindrome numbers. If both are not same, they are not palindrome numbers. Okay, in that way we have to check. So for that, if you did not watch that video, so I given that link in the description box. At the same time, you can also check at the top right corner I button. You can just click on that and you can watch and come again here. Okay, so however I will try to explain here also clearly step by step. So let me start our coding, and this code I'm going to explain in two ways. One is using loop, and second one is using slice slice operator. Let me explain this program in two ways. So first I'm going to explain using the loop, right? So we'll start here. So first we'll take a number from keyboard. So n equal to int of input of enter the number. We are taking the integer number from keyboard. Now here, what I said, first we have to reverse the number, right? Using the loop, we have to reverse the number. So initially I'm taking r is equal to 0. Then the condition is while n not equal to 0. Okay, while n not equal to 0. Now here, we can divide the n with 10 and we will find the remainder r equal to n modulus 10, and then at the same time we have to divide the n with 10 and we have to find the quotient, and that quotient we have to store it where the same variable n. Then we have to substitute these values into the formula or an expression reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus r. Okay, r value we can substitute in this. Then finally we got here reverse value. Okay, so this loop, okay, reverse the number, right? So this logic only I explained in the previous video. Okay, so now after reverse, now we have to check if the reverse number is equal to original number or not. Original number is what here? N. Okay, so original number is n. If both are same, then here we can print so given number is palindrome. Else learn print given number is not palindrome. That's it. Now save and run. Py palindrome.py. Here we enter one number, for example 121. It's a palindrome number, right? Press enter. But see, it is saying that given number is not palindrome. Because why? Actually 121 is a palindrome number. Okay, so why we are getting here not palindrome is after reversing, okay, we will get here 121 only. After reverse also we will get here 121 only. But that 121 we are checking with what? N. Actually, what is n value? Initially 121 only, right? But this 121, I mean n value is modifying in the loop. Okay, this n value will modify, right? Okay, because finally this n value will become 0. Okay, as I shown this explanation in the last video, right? So n value will become 0. So that's why here always this it will check with what? 0. So 121 equal to 0 means false. That's why it will come to else block and will display not palindrome. That is why to overcome this problem, what you have to do after reading the n value, okay, we have to copy this n value into another variable. How to copy? Let me take num equal to n like this. Now n value we are assigned to one more variable num. Okay, now we can check with not num like this. So REB equal to NUM. Now once again save, and this time we'll run once again, and 121. Now see, this time given number is palindrome. Okay, now once again let's enter 12. So 12 is not palindrome. Okay, so let me explain here by taking the palindrome number here. Suppose 121 only I will take here. So n I will take here 121. Okay, 121. Initially, here reverse is 0 and num is what? 121. 121, right? Now 121 not equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Now we have to divide the 121. Okay, first time we are dividing the 121 with 10. Okay, with 10 inside the loop, right? So 10 12s are 120. So 10 12s are 120. Now here the remainder is 1. This is a remainder. This is a quotient. Okay. Now see here I am storing the remainder r equal to that is 1, and then quotient is what? N equal to 12, right? 12. Now we can substitute here. REB initially 0 is there in our program at the top. Now 0 into 10 means 0. 0 plus R is 1, right? 0 plus R means here 1. Total here REB is 1 only. So REB finally 1 here. Okay, right. So it is updated to 0 to 1 here now, finally. So you can update here at the top if you want, right? Now again the control will go back. Now this time the number is what? See, last updated n value is 12, right? So 12 not equal to 0. That is true. So once again here it will divide 12 with 10, right? 12 with 10. Now 10 ones are. So 10 ones are 10. Now the remainder is 2. So this is a remainder and this is a quotient. Let's update here. So R value. Okay, what is R value now? 2. And N value is what? 1. Now we can substitute here. So previous REV value is 1. 1 into 10 is 1 into 10 is what? 10 plus R 2. 10 plus R is 10 plus 2 means 12, right? 12. So now it is 12. Again the control will go back. Now this time n value is 1 here, see. So you can update this REV value also here, 12 this is, right? Yes. Now n is 1, 1 not equal to 0, that is true. Again it will come inside the loop. Now the third time. So what is the n value now? 1, right? So this one again we are dividing with 10. Okay. So 10 zeros up. This time 10 zeros you have to take. So this is 1 here, the remainder, and the quotient is 0. See, until we get the quotient 0, we have to divide the number. Okay, that is a condition here we have written in a while loop. So this time R value is 1 and N value is 0. Now you can substitute here. REB equal to REB is 12. 12 into 10 is 120. 120 plus R, that is 1. That is total 121. See, after reverse also we are getting the 121 only. It's the original number, it's the reverse number. Okay. So next what? N is 0, right? See, control will go back. 0 not equal to 0 is false. So that's why. So it will not enter into the loop, so that it will terminate or exit from the loop, and it will come to line 25. Now REV, what is REV? 121, right? 121. Now 121 equal to what is the number? 121 here. See, we stored or copied into NUM variable. That is also 121. So both are same. 121 equal to 121. Yes, that is true. That's why here we'll get given number is palindrome number. Okay, in case if you enter the, for example, 12, at the time reverse will be 21. At the time, so 12 equal to 21 means false. Okay, then here we'll get given number is not palindrome, right? So in that way, we have to find the given number is palindrome or not using the while loop. Now same way, let's write this program using the second way, that is using the slice operator. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so in case, see, if anybody want to take the Python or Python full stack live sessions, I given the contact details in the description box. At the same time, if you want to watch the same videos, you can just subscribe the channel and click on the bell button to receive the notifications, so that whenever I upload the new videos, you will get the notifications and you can watch them. Okay, and also at the same time, you can just like this video and share this video to your friends as well. Okay, now let's continue this second procedure using slice operator. Here, let's check the n value from keyboard. Now this input should be string format. Enter the number. Enter the number. Okay. Now, here, let's reverse this number. How to reverse this number? Using the slice. Okay, using slice. Now, if REV equal to n, then if both are matching or same, let's write here given number is palindrome. Else, if condition is false, it will come to else block, and here will display given number is not palindrome. That's it, using slice operator, right? So here we are doing very simple way. Now let me save and run this. Let's take here 66. See, it is a palindrome number. And then 67, it's not a palindrome number. Still, if you want, you can make this code too short. How you can use in a single line. If condition, if it is true, then you can write like this. If it is true, then it will display palindrome, and if it is false, then it will come to else part and will display not palindrome. Okay, so see, so this much of lengthy code we are writing in 3 lines only here, right? So that is what the Python advantage. Enter the number 121. Now see, it is a palindrome, and some number 987. It is a not palindrome, right? So in this way, we can check whether the given number is palindrome or not. So in the next video, I'll come with another one more important program. Hare Krishna.